Hey, what's up, peoples? Sorry. Anyway, it's my video diary day 10. Are she proud of me? Better be. Anyway. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So, you might have seen my cartoons. Yeah, they're silent. They're not top quality, but they're good. Right? Oh, they're not. I think they are. So, anyway. Yeah. Video diary day 10. And I'm making a shout out to my girlfriend, Kristen. Oh, my mom just. Gosh, oh! Let me say that louder so the camera can hear. I hope my mom doesn't see this because, you know, she'll get all, oh, sweet honey baby, tell me all about it, and all that. Trust me. Well, I gotta go, so bye.